Good evening, this is Ashutosh Sharma, Probationary Officer at State Bank of India. I have cleared both SBI PO and IBPS PO exams in my first attempt with my own strategy. Now this video is going to be very special. I am going to share my own strategy which I used to prepare 6 months of general awareness in just 1 month of preparation. So how I did it? Firstly, I divided my month into 4 weeks. In the first week, you have to focus on static banking affairs as well as government policies. In the second week, we will be covering the first 3 months current banking affairs. In the second week, we will be covering the banking affairs of the next 3 months. So in week 2 and week 3, our 6 months of current banking will be completed. Now finally, in the fourth week, we will be doing revision of static banking, current banking and government policies. Now, what are the sources which you have to follow? First of all, you have to study from the weekly revision and the monthly revision videos which are available on YouTube from various channels. You are free to follow any source as your first source, but the second source which you have to follow, that is going to be the 301 MCQ ebook which I used when I was preparing in 2021 year. So that ebook is very helpful for the general awareness section because that ebook has all the necessary questions of static banking, current banking as well as the government policies relevant to this year. So now the 2023 edition of the book is available on Amazon, which I checked last week, it was available. So you can go and get it from there. I'll put a link in the description of this video for your help. And that ebook also helped me a lot in doing the revision of the general awareness at the last moment, because at the last moment you cannot cover everything in the last week of your preparation. So that ebook has all the essential questions which are important from the exam point of view, and many questions from that ebook were repeated actually in my IBPS PO mains exam. So that ebook is going to be very fruitful in your preparation of general awareness. The first source you are free to follow, but don't forget to prepare from the weekly and monthly revision videos which are available on YouTube by different channels. The ebook must be included in your preparation if you want to cover all the 6 months of GA in just 1 month. So I have put the link to that ebook in the comment section of this video. You can get it from there. Many students have already started preparing from that GA ebook, and they have told me that this year's 2023 edition is very good because the latest banking current affairs MCQs are also available in that. So you can get it from there using the link which is in the comment section. So you have to just follow this strategy which I have told you for the 4 weeks of your preparation, in which you will be covering the general awareness of 6 months. I will also be bringing you many more strategy videos of different subjects in my upcoming videos. If you have any doubts regarding your preparation, you can ask them to me in the comment section of this video. Whenever I get time, I will be able to reply to you back in the comments. Till then, keep preparing, keep practicing. All the best.